Cardano ADA price prediction February 2021. Welcome back, guys. It's Crypto Rocco from Rockstar Trading Channel. In today's video, guys, we're going to be looking at Cardano's mainnet launch. We'll also be looking at Grayscale Investments filing to add Cardano. So there's lots of important news, guys. I'll be updating all of that. And also, guys, we'll be looking at exactly how I'm looking to trade Cardano in the Rockstar Trading group, my entries, my stops, how I've been posting and trading Cardano. We'll be share that as well. If you are already long Cardano, I'll talk about some profit targets where we can look to take some profits. If you've not bought Cardano, I'll share with you strategies to get into Cardano. So without further ado, let's get into the video. So one of the key news for Cardano, in my opinion, is Gujon mainnet rollout, and that is aimed for around March time. So if you go onto their website, this is what we're looking at, and this is a big news. Previously, if you guys know from your fundamental news, I'm really interested in it as well. Cardano is a project that I like fundamentally. More importantly, making money wise, Cardano's previous launch, Shelly mainnet launch, I traded that live on YouTube. If you go watch my Shelly mainnet launch videos, you'll see exactly how I entered and how I traded it. My best trades happen when my technical analysis and trade setup line up with the news, and this was the big Shelly mainnet launch, and this was the DeFi drama. All of them, if you go watch the videos, there's one video where I actually live traded Cardano as well, 2 Cardano videos in a row. You'll see all of that. Make sure you watch them to understand more. If you are interested in taking your trading to the next level, I'll leave the links below. You can see exactly how we've traded Cardano. I've just entered Cardano with the group and it hit our first profit target. There's still opportunities to go. I'll share with you exactly how you can get in. So before we look at the news, Cardano is trying to break out. As you can see, above 40 cents is a really big breakout for me. Previously 40 cent was a high, yearly high. So once this is broken, as long as Cardano stays above 35 cent, I think Cardano hits 50 cent and potentially towards the 65-70 cent. Let's look at news and we'll come back and share with you exactly how you can look to get in. So news-wise, Grayscale Investment files for EOS Cardano Chainlink Trusts may see new competition for BlockFi. So this is news obviously quite positive. We want to see big companies, big firms like this, investment subsidiary, it's a VC company interested in digital currency and adding Cardano. That shows Cardano is a good project. These guys, you think, know a lot more than normal people or general public. They know what they're doing and they're seeing the value in Cardano and Cardano's project. In 61 days, Cardano will be completely in the hands of stake pool operators, and we talk about decentralization and 61 days until Cardano becomes completely decentralized. The way Cardano's ecosystem work is really interesting. I've talked about it in my previous videos, and this is what we want to see. We want to see decentralizations. One of the more popular cryptocurrencies. I'm not gonna hate on it, but XRP, Ripple, people class that as less centralized. Cardano is literally going to be one of the biggest decentralized cryptocurrencies ecosystem, and that's what we like. And stake pooling, the interest in Cardano's stake pool has been very, very good. We want to see more people staking Cardano, because the more people that actually stake Cardano, it reduces the supply in the market, helps the price get pushed up. It's demand and supply. When the supply reduces from exchanges, that helps the price of Cardano go up. Another important news, IOHK launches a new Plutus playground for Cardano developers. Cardano is mainly these ecosystems need to attract developers. Ethereum still, in my opinion, and from what I've heard from other coders and developers, say they're the most popular one, but Cardano is gaining strength, and what they're trying to do to attract developers is key, and I want Cardano to keep doing positive news like this. DeFi on Cardano will enable users to earn yield on staked Cardano. I've talked about staking is a great way to make money. Staking has all the bull markets we've seen, we're really lucky to be seeing what we're seeing at the moment, this bull market. And all the bull markets previously was led with some sort of news, whether it was DeFi, whether it was smart contracts, interoperability. We've seen all of that. Privacy coins, we've seen bull hype for every coins. I think at the moment staking and DeFi is probably one of the biggest hype pump that we're seeing, and Cardano is leading in there as well with yield farming and staking rewards. Lots of people are looking to do that. I'll make a video, let me know if you're interested. I'll make a video. So there's lots of good news on Cardano. I've talked about some of the key news coming out. and also the Gujan launch. I want to not share with you all the positive news. There's the problem with the scheduling the Gujan launch as well. We have lots of stuff we need to test. Some people are saying, oh, is it going to be delay? If there is a delay, that I will wait in my trading. If that happens, I'll probably take some profit or reduce some less. So that's the key news is that I found. Positives, negatives, not negative, that's something that can be interpreted as negative. In my opinion, that's positive because they're being really transparent, and we want to see transparency more than anything. But there's lots of positive news. The two key news for me is the Gujan mainnet launch and also the Grayscale investment. So those are the two key news that's helping push the price up. So Cardano has broken out. So exactly how have I traded it? So my entry, usually I'll post videos on which coins to buy, what levels to buy. You can watch my previous Cardano video. I shared exactly how I was going to buy. In the group, in the Rockstar Trading group, I post my entries, my exits, my targets. So this was posted yesterday, as you can see. And there was another post explaining when I'm long in Cardano and my profit targets. If you click on it, you'll see my profit targets and my that was my first profit target. So that is exactly how I traded Cardano. So my Cardano entry was, I can share with the exact entry, was around 377. You can see the time as well when it was entered and also the sell zone. So 377 and 448. So 377, let's find out where that is. 377, it was just breaking out of here when I was getting into Cardano, and it was a really nice trade. 448, it was almost a high, so about 15 or almost 20% trade. I'm still in Cardano. I've not sold Cardano. My next target is 50 cent. That is my big target. After that, if it continues, my target is 70 cents. So what is my trading strategy? As you guys know, it's a breakout pullback. Please make sure you have a trading strategy. If you don't have a trading strategy, guys, you're going to lose money, whether you follow mine, whether you have your own. Make sure you have a strategy. I am doing a free live stream on YouTube in a couple of days on Thursday. You can click the set reminder. You'll get notified when I'm going live. I do a free live stream on YouTube every other month. I do 3 to 4 live streams a week in the group, sharing my trading strategies, which coins I'm buying. There's so many coins that are breaking out. I've not seen markets like this. I know there will be lots of hype once Cardano's broken out, 100 or 200%. Lots of new people will join and will be like, oh, I've lost money, what's the best entry? They're breaking out now. This is when you make money. You don't make money once something has broken out already. You have to get in beforehand. This is when people join once something has gone up 200-300%. You go in before everything breaks out. So that's how I'm looking to trade Cardano, and those are my targets in the shorter time frame. Longer time frame, what can happen in Cardano? If Cardano breaks out above 70 cent, that dollar mark that we breached in 2017 could be a realistic target. I know people joke about it, but people were talking to me, calling me crazy when I was talking about Cardano pumps, 100%, 200% pump. We saw that, it doesn't happen overnight. You have to be patient. You have to educate yourself. Don't join my group and try and make $1 million overnight. That never works. If we do get an altcoin season, you'll make crazy amounts of money. It depends on the market. If the market just dumps from tomorrow or after it's already pumped, you can't make money. You make money. The best opportunity is when things are going up, the market that we have seen. Let's not get too carried away. I want to look at ADA BTC as well. So what's my plan for ADA BTC? I want ADA to be performing, Cardano to be performing better than BTC. And my main trade in the group, as you can see, wasn't just against USD, it was against BTC. ADA BTC broke out a couple of weeks ago above that key zone, above 1,000 Satoshi. Then it was consolidating, and this is the break. This is why I went long already in Cardano, because Cardano BTC broke out and it pumped about 20% against BTC. That is a huge key zone. So this was my first target against BTC, and this is my second target against BTC. As long as Cardano BTC doesn't break below 1,000 Satoshi, which comes in around here, as long as it doesn't break this level and break 1,000 Satoshi, I am bullish on Cardano. So if you are looking to buy because of this video, make sure you have a strategy. If you don't understand my strategy, educate yourself. There's a special offer. There's also a way to trial us for a month before you join us. Make sure you actually educate yourself, because I don't want you to buy and say I'm just holding, because there's always an exit strategy, entry strategy, profit targets, because anyone can buy, but knowing when to sell. I know people that bought Litecoin at $30 but didn't sell it at $300. Yeah, so it's really important to have a strategy and know when to take profit, when to sell. So that's my update on Cardano. I've shared with you my thoughts on Cardano BTC, what levels I wanted to see over, and for Cardano USD for price prediction this month, these are the two key levels I'm looking at: 50 cent and this 65 to 70 cent zone. So thank you very much for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed it. What is your thoughts on Cardano? Do you like Cardano? Do you think Cardano will have a big breakout this month? Comment below your price predictions. If you have any questions or are there any coins you want me to look at, check out the live stream. This is the link. If you click on the community tab, you can request any questions you want and any coin request, and join us at 6 p.m. UK time in a couple of days, and I can answer any of your questions or any other coin requests, any small coins that are going up. Comment below. I'm happy to look at that. So thank you very much. Smash that like button, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys soon with another great video. Go Cardano.